I was really surprised. I didn't feel so different from the time when I was in the yoga shala in Kopangan. You really, really did well, this whole assembly of the music. The connection was excellent all the time. You guided us through in a very, very good manner. I felt guided and felt safe all the time, even though we're at a distance.
Very deep. Initially, when it started, I didn't expect it to be like really this good. There were a lot of visions and, there were a lot of deep healing, and then I went blank. Very great transformation, I could say, from what I started a few minutes back to what I am now. It's like my soul is like kind of awakened, and there's a deep lot of love, and there's a lot of pure feeling, I feel. So thank you, Davide. I'm just only honored, and I have only gratitude towards you. And thank you for this beautiful, beautiful work. Thanks.
So thank you very much. Yes, it's really heart-opening. I'm still amazed how well it works, even though we're just having a Zoom conference. Yeah.
I feel more like I was melting. It was very good, very peaceful.
It makes me now renewed and more calm than when I woke up this morning. So thank you very much.
It felt beautiful. It was very, very nice. Thank you very much. I didn't think it could be so powerful through Zoom. I'm really surprised that it's working so well. Thank you.
I did have a period of very deep relaxation that I really felt like I was floating. Much appreciation for all you're doing there, Davide.
That felt good. Thank you. It was really powerful. I could release a lot of tension in my body. I connected to my inner light and inner peace again, which always feels so good. So thank you.
Oh my God, it was so easy for me today. It's quite amazing to see that 2 weeks later, I feel so much better, and I was really, really calming down. I feel very, very calm now. I love this realm of peace that I get from holding my breath easily. Thank you very, very much.
It was my first time joining today, and then I think I started the session with a lot of worries and fears and some negative thoughts. But I could release a lot of negative energy during the session, and then I feel a lot lighter. So thank you so much.
So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.